Welcome to the channel Today's News. It's 16 April and I am present here to keep you updated about the latest news and current affairs. So let's start the video. Before going further, let's revise the question of the previous video. You have to answer this question in comments. First question is, Yes Bank has extended the bank assurance partnership for 5 years with which insurance company? So you have to write the name of insurance company. Dong Squander, he has passed away. He is related to which sport? Third question, IMF has projected India's GDP to be at what percent for 2020? So if you know these answers, you can write in comments, and if you don't know, then you can go to the previous day's video. First question is, name the former Pakistani first class cricketer who has become the first professional player in the country to have died due to novel coronavirus. So this is the first Pakistani cricketer to have died due to coronavirus. His name is Jafar Sarfraz, इसरार अली, आमिर इलाही, Hanif Muhammad, Imtiaz Ahmed. So that Pakistani cricketer is Jafar Sarfraz. Jafar Sarfraz is the right answer. MS Dhoni has been named as the brand ambassador of which company? So options are Poker Star India, Poker One India, Poker Red Star, 3 Card Poker. So MS Dhoni has become a brand ambassador of Poker Star India. The Spartan's Code. It is a book written by Abdul Wahab Ashohi. Has won the 13th International Prize for Arabic Fiction. He belonged to which country? Algeria, Nigeria, Canada, Mexico. So, Ashohi is a writer of Algeria. So, Algeria is the correct answer. He is the first Algerian to win the International Prize of Arabic Fiction. Which national park in India has been built isolation wards for animals? So options are Jim Corbett National Park, Kana National Park, Pinch National Park, none of the above. So the isolation wards are built for animals in Jim Corbett National Park. It is the oldest national park of India. It is in Uttarakhand, and Kana National Park and Page National Park are in Madhya Pradesh. Which ministry has announced a training program on COVID-19 from April 17 for healthcare professionals for SAARC countries? So, the ministry is trying to make a program for on 17 April for training of healthcare professionals for SAARC countries. So, which ministry has been going to make the program? External Affairs Ministry, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of HRD, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So, External Affairs Ministry is going to conduct a training program for COVID-19. Asia's economic growth this year will be grind to a halt for the first time in how many years as a coronavirus took place. So, according to IMF, the in Asia's economy will stop for the first time. It is happening after how many years? 50 years, 65 years, 70 years, 75 years, none of the above. So the correct answer is 60 years. So the answer is none of the above. A total of 6.5 lakh medical kits for rapid testing of coronavirus 19 have been dispatched from which country to India? So, which country is giving 6.5 lakh medical kits for rapid testing in India? Options are USA, Russia, Australia, China. So, the China is giving 6.5 lakh medical kits for rapid testing to India. How many Indian companies are there that are working on coronavirus vaccine? Options are 4, 6, 8, 10. So there are total 6 Indian companies that are working on coronavirus vaccine. A team of researchers of which institute made an affordable antimicrobial spray-based coating for personal protective equipment (PPE) and 3D printed ear guard for comfortable use of face mask for healthcare workers. So this research team of which institute is making PPE and 3D printed ear guard for healthcare worker. Options are IIT Guwahati, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Mandi, IIT Kanpur. The correct answer is IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati researchers are making PPE and 3D printed ear guards for healthcare worker. On which day is the World Art Day celebrated? Options are 14 April, 15 April, 16 April, and 17 April. So recently the World Art Day was celebrated. It was on 15 April. Which state will the first to use Ayurveda for COVID-19 patients? So this state is going to use Ayurvedic treatments for COVID-19. So options are Uttarakhand, Kerala, Goa, Bihar. So the correct answer is Goa. Goa is going to use Ayurveda. Ranjit Chaudhary, he had died recently. He was a dash. He was a poet, writer, actor, or singer. So Ranjit Chaudhary was an actor. He had died recently. Which organization has issued over 10 lakh refund worth 4,250 crore rupees in a week? So this organization is issuing the refund of 10 lakh. 10 lakh refunds are being issued, which the total worth of 4,250 crore. This is issued by which organization? CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax, Central Board of Indirect Tax, GST Council, none of the above. So the correct answer is Central Board of Direct Tax. They are giving refunds in a week, 10 lakh refunds total. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa inaugurated the COVID-19 mobile testing kiosk in Bangalore today. This kiosk was developed by which institute? So, CM of Karnataka B.S. Yediyurappa he has inaugurated a COVID-19 mobile testing kit in Bangalore. This kiosk is invented by Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Healthcare, Health Science, IGNOU, IIT Indore, IIT Kanpur. So it is developed by Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Health Science. World's most famous cycling race, Tour de France, has been postponed in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. In which month it is going to be held now? So there is a world's most famous cycling race called Tour de France. It is now changed its date for organizing the race, and it is now going to be held on October, August, September, or December. So the correct answer, it is going to be held on August. 44th session of World Heritage Committee of UNESCO scheduled in Fazao postponed. It would be held in which country? The 44th session of World Heritage Council of UNESCO, it was scheduled to be held on Fazao. It has now been postponed. And in which country it is going to be held? Options are China, South Korea, Hong Kong, Japan. So this World Heritage Committee will going to held on China. Name the organization that has issued guidelines on the use of Toronto Beta CoV test to be validated by researching body for undertaking a screening test of COVID-19. So, which organization is giving the guidelines for using Tron Beta CoV test so that the researchers can screen the patients of COVID-19? So the options are ICMR, CSIR, NTA, Department of Biotechnology, Medical Council of India. So these guidelines are issued by Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR). Is correct answer. Former ice hockey player who has been more than 100 games in Switzerland in national team, including the 1964 Winter Olympics. He had died due to COVID-19. Name that ice hockey player. Option are Roger Chaput, Canner MC David, Eric Kirsten, K. Joseph. So the correct answer here is Roger Chaput. Roger Chaput is an ice hockey player. He has won many events, including the Winter Olympics of 1964. He had died recently due to COVID-19. Government launches All India Agri Transport Center call center for interstate movement of perishable goods. It is launched by which person? And so All India Agri Transport Call Center is started so that interstate movement could take place of the perishable good. It is started by options are Narendra Singh Tomar, Harshvardhan, Indrajit Singh, Ravi Shankar Prasad. So the correct answer here is Narendra Singh Tomar. So Narendra Singh Tomar is an agriculture minister of India, whereas the Harshvardhan Singh is the health minister, Indrajit Singh is the chemical and fertilizer minister, Ravi Shankar Prasad is the law minister. Yeah. Which of the following has created an integrated geospatial platform to help decision making during the current COVID-19 outbreak. So an integrated geospatial platform is being made so that the correct decisions should be taken in the outbreak situation. So it is developed by which institute? Department of Health and Family Welfare, Department of Science and Technology, AIMS Delhi, none of the above. So this is created by Department of Science and Technology. Pharma major Sanofi has joined with which organization to develop a vaccine for COVID-19? So there is a joint partnership of the France-based company Sanofi with which company? GSK, Cipla, MMT, none of the above. So the correct answer is GSK. Name the company that has acquired Nigeria-based Grand Petroleum lubricant assets to strengthen its presence in Nigeria and West Africa. So there's a company acquisition which took place recently. So Grand Petroleum lubricant assets are being acquired by which company? Options are GP Global, Saudi Aramco, Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum. So the correct answer here is GP Global. GP Global has acquired Grand Petroleum lubricant assets. Ajay Mahajan, he has been appointed as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of which organization? Options are the CARE Rating, CRISIL Rating, CIBIL Score, none of them. So Ajay Mahajan has been appointed as MD and CEO of the CARE Rating. Who has been appointed as the MD of Paytm General Insurance Limited? Options are Vineet Arora, Aditya Mahajan, K. Tiwari, none of them. None of them. So MD of Paytm General Insurance Limited is Vineet Arora. He has recently been appointed. Okay. This is that for all. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. Meet you later in the next video. You can download the PDF of this video from my Telegram link, which I have kept in description. Thank you.